When you make your Crunchwrap smaller, that means you just get to eat more of them. Let's make some Crunchwrap Sliders. We're going to do just a basic Crunchwrap recipe here, so we're going to start by cooking some ground beef on the griddle top. Once that's cooked to be nice and brown, we're going to add some taco seasoning to it. I'm just going to squirt this ground beef with a little bit of water to get that taco seasoning to mix in. Sprinkle that taco seasoning right on top and then mix it up right there on the griddle top. Once that's fully mixed and cooked all the way through, we're going to pull that off and set it to the side. Then we're going to go ahead and dice up some tomatoes. Since these are Crunchwrap sliders, we're going to just use soft taco shells for these. So we're going to throw down a taco shell, add a spoonful of meat there in the middle. We're going to top that with some store-bought queso. You could of course make your own if you wanted to. And then for the crunch, we're just going to use these round tortilla chips right there on top of the queso. I'll squirt a little sour cream right on top of the tortilla chip. Spread that around a little bit with a spoon. Add a little bit of shredded lettuce, our diced tomato, and top all that with a little bit of shredded Mexican cheese. Then we got to get that classic Crunchwrap fold going on here. Now, because these are so small and they are kind of full, it's kind of hard for this fold to hold together. So a good trick for these is to start by putting a little bit of Mexican cheese on your griddle top and let that start to melt. And then place your Crunchwrap fold side down right on top of that cheese. That cheese will help hold everything together and keep that Crunchwrap sealed for you. These are simple, a lot of fun, and of course they're delicious. They're the perfect thing to make for a party or for tailgating. They go together really quick. You can make a whole bunch of them all at one time. What do you guys think of this twist on this classic recipe? Is this something you would give a try? Let me know in the comments if you do. Until next time, thanks for watching.